Okay. Hello, everybody. This is Susie D&T from D&T Foam. We are the manufacturer of foam machinery about 16 years. And today we will introduce our first one called catcher. This machine is usually for the rigid foam, for cut the rigid foam, EVA, rock wool, minor wool, and some building materials. So now our technical engineer will do some rigid job. Now I will introduce this machine. Introduce our three parts. And this is work table. This is work table, and this is porch frame, and this is pantry cabinet. About the work table, we have different kinds. We have conveyor table. Conveyor table. This is usually for the vertical cutting. And this is horizontal cutting. So we use this kind of table. It's flat table. And about the table, now we take the FDM material. But if you customer requirements, we also can use the aluminum film like that. So you can do the vacuum to stick the cutting materials. About this porch frame, and we have two kinds of it. This porch frame is fixed, and another one, that one, that one, and the porch frame can movable. It's our very match products about fast one cut. And 这个走过去 this porch frame, 真的，那蛮好的了，是吧？对，自然流量就好在是。This porch frame, this is a cutting wheel. Here is two, and there is also two, and this is a major cutting wheel with the main motor, and this cutting wheel is about 400 usually, in the first generation fast one quant and the second generation fast one quant, we take always 300 millimeter deflection, and we improve our cutting speed and cutting precision. So today, now we use this bigger cutting wheel. It's about 400 millimeter diameter. So it makes the cutting speed very fast. It also can improve the production capacity. This is true, and also this side also true. This is the porch frame. Welcome everybody. And this is our first one quant cutter, and this is our major production in our factories because it's very big use for the building materials, and it's a major cut the rigid foam, and for insulation materials also you can cut a rock wool, minor wool, and also EVA. Anything you want to cut, you just can take this machine. Usually it's for the semi-rigid foam or rigid foam, something like that. Also we come here to see the now we introduce our porch frame. I show you the 4 cutting wheel. This side 2 and this other side 2。要不要给大家看一下？就是为了那个模组。2，那边打开给他们看一下吧啊。Welcome. This is our, this is aluminum profile, and it's anti-corrosion. And so, when you cut this material, sometimes it will corrosion material. So we take this anti-corrosion profile aluminum materials. And this is, so it's very strong, but also very light, so easy to move. And this is the boss glue. this Bosch glue, and when do the cutting, we can use this two motor to 带动式 adjust this Bosch glue to up and down, make the porch flame up and down, something like that. And there's another motor inside 看不来 in the middle of the table, and it makes the work table moving, something like that. So this is the tension part. This is the tension part. So when we start the machines, and first we have to get the air and the pressure. So we first use this, also a very important part for this machine. This is the control cabinet, and this is very important part of this machine. Actually, I think this is like part of the machines, because first, if you want to cut something, you can make the jaw by this computer, and also this we can take many different profiles such as DWG and DUF, DWG and DXF. So I think later we will ask our technical engineer to do the cutting test for you. This is light, and with a different color, with different functions. Now the blue one means the machine is ready to work, and the orange one means when the machine on work, it will show orange color. If the machine have emergencies, it will show red light. So it depends different situation. And you can come here. This is button different. This is power and 电源开关. This is emergency stop. 这个也是电源开关. This is on. This is off. This is tension. So it's very easy to operate when you start this machine. And this is remote control. It's very easy actually. 真的是这样子是吧？我记得那我知道了。Okay, let's show you now the porch flame up. See? You see? Just use this remote control. It's very easy to operate, and this is down. Okay, now work table moving now. Backward and forward. And there's a motor in the middle under the table. So it's hard to show you, but there's a motor to control the work table moving up and frontward and upward. And today we are here. We want to introduce our machines. This is a machine for cut the foam. So if you have in the foam field, just contact us. We have many different kinds of foam cut, just as what you want. And we can show you here. There's many kinds of foam cut. This is also our fast one crown cut, and this is foam cut for the sleeves cuttings. This one, and this is our vertical cut, and we have two kinds of vertical cut. This is the new one. We also have automatic vertical cut, and this cutting just in vertical cutting, and for the foam, the flex foam in sleeves. And this is also our fast one crown cut. It's also for the rigid foam, EVA, and something like that. This is also 狐狸这个是不能开是吧？这个不能开是吧？本来它就是给他们看一下这个呢，工作台移动啊这样子，线都弄的。This is also our fast one crown cut, and this machine, and we fix the work table, so we can move this porch flame up and down, and frontward and backward, something like that. This is our oscillation cut. 但是这个机器的话，我不是很理解。You know about this horizontal oscillation contact we called. This is made for the flat foam for furniture and mattress, something like a pillow, something you can cut. And we also have vertical cutting and horizontal cut and dual blade cuttings. This is vertical cut, horizontal cut, and with you know, this is a gearbox. This is a motor. Two sides with two motor. I want to say this is conveyor work table. Just as I introduced about work table, we have a flat work table, also conveyor work table. This is one. So when you do the cutting, and the work table will move backward and forward, something like that. 它这个是一个架子。This is 老虎，它这个就是那个来那个衔接这个。This is loading materials for this one. Can loading the material. So if you know, if you have bigger cutting material, you can use this kind of leg. 然后这个正刀器的话，看一下啊。它就是两个电器嘛，是吧？正刀器。this is 上引齿轮齿条，是 linear gear， 这是上引 highway。You know, actually, you know, we always use famous brand. If it's electric cars, we use Muscular, Supermoto, and ABB, and Siemens motor, something like that. This is we use highway from Taiwan. This gearbox, and this gearbox, 这个是振动箱，然后它是用什么的？Supermoto. This is supermoto. Two pieces motor. So this machine can cut 2D and 3D shapes for flex foam. It's majorly for the the furniture and mattress, pillow, and sofa. So it's very wide use for the material, something furniture, something like that. So it's very good machines. Welcome everybody. Do you have any questions? We will answer you. Do you have any questions? Just let us know. And this is oscillation contact for cut the flat form, 2D and 3D. And this, we also have this is horizontal cutting. We also have vertical and also dual blade. So just depends what kind of shape you want to cut. So if you any questions, if you want to know more machines, just let us know. Okay. Welcome everybody here. This is Susie King. Today we introduce our machines. We are located in China, Hangzhou, and welcome to here. And we will be see around even Hangzhou beautiful city, something like that. So welcome, and also welcome to content about the machines. This is horizontal oscillation contact for the horizontal cutting for 2D and 3D shapes. This machine majorly for cutting the flex foam for about 2D and 3D shapes. This kind of foam used for the furniture and mattress, sofa, pillow, something like that. So it's very popular use. It's our major machines. This is for flex foam, and 这个要解释一下，要不？这个 revolving contact. Everybody, this is our revolving contact. And this machine is similar like that oscillation contact, but this machine is cutting speed is 8 times than that one. The oscillation contact, the cutting speed is about 1 to 10 meters per minute, but this machine can cut 80. The fast speed can reach 80 meter per minute. And this machine, the major important is you know, this head can turn 380 L belt and also flat work table. This is, you know, when you do the cutting, so you have to, you know, the material can have to move like this way and also move here way. 那个怎么技巧？那个。Well, do the draw. What kind of shapes you want to cut? First, you will make the draw in this computer. This computer can accept DWG and DUF, DXF. We have take our D&T profiles. But when you buy this machine, and we will give you you know, the cutting software. 是啊，软件我们会给客户的啊。Yeah, we will bring you the cutting software. And here with a different button, and we will also mark in English, so it's very easy to calculate. This is a pull and this is stop. This is pull on. This is pull off. This is the tensions. Yeah, this machine will always attached with a desk cutter. You know, because this when you cut this material, it will always with a desk. Hello, friend. Welcome. 但这个不是很好。This is the finished cutting materials product. 但是我觉得，然后有一边的话好像就是，对呀，原来就破的，刚才没弄好。那就展示没有破的那一边。You see, very smooth and very even, very nice. This is the material for the insulation materials for the tube. So this machine material cuts this kind of semi-rigid and rigid form. And this is also we cut last time. This one. This is different shapes also. Round shapes. 这个也是了，就是 round. Actually, you can cut 2D and 3D shapes. Depend on what you want. So the friend here, if you want cutting other shapes, you just let us know. We will show you how to cut. Okay. This is this form. I will show you the material. 我能拿一下吗？这个，其实这个啊，其实刚才应该，you know, this is very flexible. 我知道 ，just show them. This is flexible form. This is for, you know, flexible form about this machine. So we will cut. This machine also can cut 3D and 2D shapes, just as a requirement. 你现在缺个什么东西？切圆，你切成那种枕头这种形状不是好了吗？有点弧形的。圆就是太简单了呢。这个比我之前卖出去大很多哎，小码数我觉得大很多，它这个宽度跟长度都加长很多，我那个蛮小的一块。Welcome everybody. Today we do the live stream in our factories. We are the manufacturer of the foam cut about 16 years. And our machine actually sell many countries. I think USA, Europe, and the Middle East, many countries. You know, because we have 16 years building experience, so we have knowledge for all the materials. So we also can do the very good maintenance service. Even if you want to learn our machines, you also can take some blade, something test our quality first also. So, you know, this is our workshop, and we will do the introduction about our machines. We will do the, now we will do the flexible foam cutting. This machine cutting the material use, you know, the furniture. This machine, no, actually it's almost finished install, and tomorrow we will ship. Actually, you know, actually the delivery time, or normal delivery time is 45 days. But if you are urgent, we will try to ship the machine as soon as possible. You know, this machine, it takes just 20 days. We finish these machines. We just take 20 days. We finish these machines. So if you are urgent to machines, you just let us know. We will try to produce for you, because we are the manufacturers, and we manufacture many parts by ourselves. So we can do our best for you. So if you want a machine, just let us know. You just tell us what material you want cut. You want to cut it in sheet, or you want to cut it in shapes. And if you want to cut shapes, you just tell us what kind of shapes you want to cut. And you tell us the foam block size, then we will recommend the right machine for you. Because we have many different kinds of machine. We have machine, this machine can cut the flexible foam, and we also other machine can cut, you know, rigid foam. And also, if you want high speed, very high speed, we also can another machine we call Revolving cutter, and that machine also can cut 2D and 3D shapes. It can cut also very complex materials, like you know, foam with fabric, foam with leather, something like that. And the cutting speed can reach 8 meters per minute. So you just tell us what you want. We will try our best to make for you. We will do the best for you. About delivery time, if you are urgent, we can catch the time as your requirements. And you know, maybe we can. This machine is from building to finish is about 20 days. So it's a very fast speed. So if you want urgent machine, just let us know. We will try our best to do the best for you. Okay? Welcome, friends. Welcome. Welcome. Now, we just wait for a moment. We will do the test cutting for you. 怎么啦 Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody. This is Susie King from D&T Foam. have manufactured our forming machinery about 16 years. Now we have many different kinds of foam cut. We have machine to cut flex foam. We also have machine have rigid foam and semi-rigid foam. And if you want, also we have cut slips. Also we can cut shapes. The shapes we have, you know, like the round and this one pyramid. Actually, I found many customers like this kind of shapes. This is a pyramid we call it. And round also, if you want, we also can cut a pillow, something like that. So it's easy for us. Just tell us what you want. We will do the best for you. Just tell us, yeah. And this is, you know, this is very flexible foam. And we also have other machines to cut rigid, very rigid, and so different use. And you know, this kind of material just for the home use. But you know, the rigid foam just for the building materials for outside use. Welcome friends. This is Susie King from D&T Foam. Today we introduce our foam cut. If you are in the foam field, just let us know. Yeah. Leave the message. Okay.好的。我觉得我已经说了好几遍了，这几句话，说来说去说好几遍。我知道。Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. This is Susie King from D&T Foam. We are the manufacturer of foam machinery about 6 years, and now we introduce our oscillation contact, and we have you know different kinds of cutting. We have horizontal cutting, vertical cut, and also dual blade. Today, just now we will introduce this horizontal cut, and also we will do the test cutting for you. 现在试贴了吗？还没开始是吧？ Now we will do the test cutting for you. Just see it. This is our oscillation contact, and this machine is usually cut the plastic foam. The material can use for the household and also for the furniture outside, something like that. So just tell us what you want. We will try our best to do the machine, recommend the right one for you, because we have different kinds of foam cut for different materials, different foam, something like that. So if you have any issue, just let us know. Just let us know. Welcome.
我流量看就8条，那这个可以说流量测我还是得
流量测什么意思啊？
然后变成这个然后 reaction swipe 是红的reaction 红的有很多 SCP 有很多今天肯定是破百
这小码多少了？
小码是50多。
Welcome everybody. This is Susie King. Today, we'll introduce our foam cut. Hi, Tim. 它这个 Welcome to 机器人说的是吧？现在好像没有新的吗？
有啊，但是它没有会显示在下面。
它这个流量就是82多了，是吧？
流量确实是82。
对呀，那另外的话可能是今天人应该还多的。
对。
今天人还多。
120。
100多。要切试一下，可以切了是吧？ Now we will do the test cutting for you. This machine we call our oscillation contact, and it can catch 2D and 3D shapes. Now we will show you how to cut it, okay?还没进去好像，但这个效果不是很好。Welcome, welcome everybody. Okay, let's go. This machine is adopted the vibration blade to finish the cuttings. So actually, this is now we will cut the round form. This is finished product. Good. Okay. Good. You know, this is a finished product. You see, it's very smooth. It's very smooth. No any bully. Very smooth. And you know, if you want to cut other shapes, we also can do. We just now we just very cut simple round columns. Very simple. But if you want to cut other shapes, just let us know. This is also a cutting materials, cutting finished product. You see, we call it the pyramid. So this machine cuts the flex form. So welcome everybody, and you know, just now we have finished these cuttings. This is cutting flex form. 另外形状没有了吗？这是几个圆的吗？没有了，没有。方的啊 ，square, round, pyramid as you want, and we have cut many different shapes as you want. So as I said, you just if anybody interested, if they are here, you want to tell other chef, just let us know. We will show you. Okay, well, welcome my friends. This machine we just made cut is flex form, very flex form. Okay, and this machine we can use house wood and for like such a furniture, sofa, something like that. Also can cut a mattress, pillow, and 什么？拖把头，拖把头我倒不知道。
拖把头不是对，
我还真不知道。
自己一拉是水就出来了。
不知道。So this machine is very popular. It's a very popular use. Also, it's very economical. You know, we are the manufacturer, so we can catch the delivery time. If you are urgent to machines, just let us know. Because you know, this machine when we start to produce to finish is about 20 days. It's a very short time delivery time. Usually, our delivery time is 45 days. 可以了，对吧？It's very happy to every customer come to us, and I wish we have more time to communicate with each other. So if you have any interesting or any questions about our machine, just leave the message for me or can send your name card. We will check for you and answer you any question you want. So we are the manufacturer foam cut foam machine. We have different kinds of foam cut, and we have machine can cut flex foam, also can cut rigid foam. So just let us know what you want. You just tell us what material you want to cut, and you want to cut slips or you want to cut strips. If you want to cut strips, what kind of strips you want to cut. So just let us know and tell us the foam block size. We can design and produce the machine as you want. So everybody, welcome to our live stream. Also welcome to our factories. We will happy to show you around here. Everything we will show you around about city, our factories. So thank you for your joining us. We wish next time we have more chance to cooperate, to build together. Okay. Thank you. 可以了吗？ Okay, bye bye, welcome.